Naiwan niya daw yung ano, yung bread niya. Nandun pa. Eh, may porter pala siya. Hindi alam ni Ronville na nandun pala yung tinapay. And again, it's a usual sight here in Hong Kong where, especially when you're out hiking, there will be a good chance where you can see these wild boars. Oh. Wild boars in Hong Kong. And they're going back to the woods. Woo! What a start of the day, guys. What a start of the day. So with us today is my dad, Ronville channel again, and Kuya Joel, Filipino Mountaineering Society over there. Finally, we're together again. Brother of Ronville. Kargador karon ako. Pwedeng pumasok dyan, kuya? Ah.
Ayun yung susundin mong trail, oh. Yung... na yun. Pagpasok mo dyan, ang first na akyat mo, itong hagdanan na to. Tapos tuloy-tuloy yan, indication. Tapos merong parang flat doon sa may ibabaw. Doon pwede ka mag-drone, magpalipad.
Okay.
So,
next time.
Saglit lang naman yun.
Sa sunod na yan, para diretso natin. Violet Hill, this is where we went up. From Violet Hill, and then we went to the Twins, the tough climb, where we went out to Stanley. There you go. So this is the Wilson Trail, Hong Kong Trail, over there. I think we're just passing here, and no picnic is allowed. We're going straight.
Family walk lang yan, easy lang din yan. Pero ang ganda yan.
Oh, easy hike, Titan family walk. This will take us all the way to the Violet Hill. I think we've passed there before. There's an intersection where going to Titan Reservoir and sa Twins, no?
And Twin. Nakita na yung tinapay.
Minsan tennis coach, minsan hiker, minsan kargador. Grabe to. Nandun pala eh, oh.
Yan yung section 5.
They even have their agriculture, fisheries, and conservation department. Wow. It has been trending in social media where there are a lot of trees like these, and a lot of people has been going.
Ayan, studio.
Hello.
Okay, and dito kami ngayon sa may Titan Reservoir, and pupuntahan namin, ang subject namin yung dalawang falls. And yes, it's not long now because we're here at the entrance of the first waterfalls, and the second is going down there. Alright, so yeah.
Good Joel is here to guide us. So he said we're gonna go down here for more adventure and more challenge. See ya. So it doesn't look like we're in Hong Kong right now. It's very nice down here. It feels like you're in Mars but with water over there. It's really nice. So Ronville now is going to try his drone, his Mavic Mini 2, which he won from Clava World Travel.
Thank you to Kennex for
Now
giving me that confidence.
that was that. And we're going back again. So I was able to fly my drone too. So we're gonna pass through here and down there. So we're here. Oh, look at this view, guys. So we're on to our second falls for today. Woo, let's go! Kuya, ano yung history dito?
Nagsiship sila ng mga pagkain sa mga urban countries.
Oo.
Tapos yung may mga community dito dati, may mga bahay dito before. At saka bahay dyan. Yung nag-create ng trail na to, inaakyat niya lahat, pinupuntahan niya yung mahihirap. And then, nung ma-develop na itong country park na to, ito yung tinatawag na governance, yung Wilson Trail. Sila yung pinupuntahan nila yung mga community rito hanggang sa nag-evolve na-develop na yung place. Kaya pinangalanan ng Wilson Trail tsaka Hong Kong Trail itong area na to. Ito naging tightam itong reservoir na to dahil yung tubig na nang ma-develop ito yung water na nagsusupply dyan sa may baba, sa may tightam.
Tetanda. Yung kung saan yung nag-start tayo?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yung water na ginagamit dito talagang ginagamit sa buong community. Pero yung pag-shipping ng mga pagkain dito, yan nagamit yung mga tulay na yan. Akala mo nga ang tagal-tagal na yan. Matanda pa yan.
Ano to? Marker ng?
Parang boundary.
So that's where we went. And we're going left. I think this is the falls where we went first time. After I went out from the quarantine. Let's see how it goes.
How could you run me blind when I thought I was a navigator? I thought I could read the signs. You were sending up flares, red and gold everywhere. I remember my hands, thinking I had a chance, reaching out for a dance in the fiery air. Now I can't afford the car